Shalom, my name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Decker, Pex, Ophir & Co. Today I wanted to discuss a matter that relates to labor law. Our office has a labor law department, and we represent many employers and employees. And this specific issue rises quite a bit, and we receive queries and questions also from employers and also from employees on the matter. And in addition, we also encountered situations where we presume that the employer and the employee, in good faith, more or less violated the laws of Israel when it comes to this matter. And here we're dealing with a loan given by an employer to an employee. This happens quite a bit because naturally when an employee is in need of money, he will probably first go to the bank, but he may also go to the source of his ongoing income, depending on the relationship he has with his employer. And this source is the employer. And many times an employee does ask the employer for a loan. He asks the employer, let's say, for an advanced salary because of an unexpected expense. And many times the employer, because the employer appreciates the employee and wants to have a happy employee and wants to keep the employee, will agree to give the employee a loan. However, it's important to know that loans like this have special terms and special conditions. For example, an employer isn't allowed to deduct a full salary from the loan given. An employer is only allowed to deduct up to a quarter of the salary. So let's say a loan is given for 100,000 shekels and the salary is 10,000 shekels. The employer is only allowed to deduct up to 2,500 shekels a month from the salary of the employee. In addition, a loan has to be in writing, and the terms have to be stipulated. And a loan also usually involves taxes that need to be paid, and the return of the loan will need to be stipulated in the pay stub of the employee. It's also important to note, and this is very important, that the employees in Israel have protected conditions by law, and these conditions can't be violated. Even if an employer gives an employee a loan, he can't now insist that the employee will work overtime. He can't insist that the employee will work on regulated holidays and on rest days. He can't violate the employee's pension rights, and so on and so forth. So this is very important to indicate because we see situations like this that happen. Anyway, if you're in a situation like this, either an employer or an employee, and you want to arrange a legal framework of giving a loan to an employee or receiving a loan from your employer, we will be happy to assist you. We will be happy to answer any questions you may have on the matter, and you can feel free to contact us on this matter. Thank you very much for your time.